नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will calculate the bleeding time. Aim to calculate the bleeding time. Materials required: filter paper, cotton, sterile lancet, stopwatch, spirit, and beaker. Principle: if the skin is punctured with a pricking needle, the time taken between the appearance of blood to the cessation of bleeding is taken as the bleeding time. Procedure: get a finger pricked under aseptic condition to get the free flowing blood. Start the stopwatch and note the time. Absorb the blood every 30 seconds by touching the punctured side of the finger with the filter paper along its edge without pressing or squeezing the wound. Note the time when the bleeding stops and when there is no trace of blood spots on the filter paper. This is the end point. This is the step 1. First, this is important to start the stopwatch on the as soon as the puncture is done. Then soak this with the filter paper. Step 3 again. Then step 8, count it. Step 9, seize one. This is the filter paper. This how we can calculate by calculating by 0 second we touch here, 30 second we touch here, 60, 90, 120 seconds, 150, 180, 200, 230 seconds. And where the blood is not shown, that will be the bleeding time. Observation: normal bleeding time is 1 to 5 minutes. The bleeding time is prolonged due to the lack of the several clotting factors. Result: the bleeding time is determined by counting the blood spot on the filter paper and multiplying it by 30. Precautions: the skin site chosen for pricking should be rubbed well to increase the blood flow. The skin should be dry and punctured should be 3 to 4 mm deep to give free flowing blood. Do not press the filter paper on the punctured side of the finger. Do not squeeze the finger which is being punctured for calculation of bleeding time. Puncture should be done by keeping the lancet at 45-degree angle. Now, this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.